Hi, my name is Tracy Lito N. Lagino and I'm from BIT Rock 2E2. So, I'm gonna discuss about the air conditioning safety. So, most usually, air conditioning safety is a frequently asked question. So, I'm gonna tell my perception about the air conditioning safety. So, air conditioning safety is the safetyness both the unit and the technician when doing the work, cleaning or repairing. So, it is to avoid the accident or hazards during the work. So, there are air conditioning safety rules needed to be followed. So, first of all, we need to switch off the circuit breaker and in order to stop the flowing of electricity to the AC unit to avoid the accident um, for the technician that are servicing the AC unit. So the second important air conditioning safety rules is the proper PPE uniform. So when you say PPE uniform, it is the personal protective equipment. So a technician needed to have this so that when doing some servicing, cleaning or repairing the air conditioning unit, they will be protected at all times because accident may happen every time. So for the third air conditioning safety rules, it is the lockout procedure.
Lockout procedures identify the types of energy sources used, potential hazards, and all control devices. Notify all affected employees. Turn off all operating controls. Locate all energy sources. Isolate all energy sources by blocking, bleeding, and venting stored energy as found in springs, hydraulic systems, and pneumatic systems. Lock out all switches and energy controls in the off or safe position. Test operating controls. Put all controls in the on position. Be sure no one can get hurt before testing. Return all operating controls to the off position. Perform required tasks. Remove lockout devices only after the equipment is fully assembled and all affected employees have been notified. Each lockout device must be removed by the person who put it on.
So in the fourth air conditioning safety rules, it is the handling of refrigerants. So when you say refrigerant, it is the blood of the refrigeration cycle. So we need to take good care of the refrigerants. We need to use it properly and safely because refrigerants is a chemical substance that can cause us with a infectious disease and breathing, hard breathing for the technicians. So we need to wear a proper PPE uniform. So this is the examples of refrigerant in refrigerant tank. So in the fifth air conditioning safety rules, it is the material safety data sheet. So it is where all the hazardous substances, refrigerants are listed. So it is to be given to the technician so that the technician will have an or have an information about what kind of substances they are dealing with the air conditioning with the air conditioning safety. So this is the example of the um, material safety data sheets. So here.
So as we can see, mo na siya example sa safety data sheet. So na say do ka section, section 1 and section 2. Though di siya kana inline sa rack, ato lang gihatag example nga mo ni say sud sa safety data sheet unsa abot ang chemicals nga atong gidilog unsay ang mga hazardous nga maka-affect sa ato.
So for the last air conditioning safety rules, it is by keeping the tools and equipments in good working order. So you can use the 6S methodology. So the sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, and safety.
The 5S plus safety. So first, sort. Throw away unnecessary and unrelated materials in your workplace. So dili ra ilabay or ilahi lang nato ang mga wilabot sa tools nato o mga uban gamit nga atong kailangan para magtrabaho ta sa atong unit. So ato lang siya i-arrange. Second, set in order. Set everything in proper place for quick retrieval and storage. So, ang set in order, ang iyang gamit is atong mga gamit from smallest to biggest ato gi-arrange or biggest to smallest para limpyo tanawon, dili sakit sa mata og organize siya. Makita rin nato and mabalik po nato human gamit. Third is shine or sweep. So, we can clean the workplace and everyone should be a janitor. So, sa atong mga tools, atong lugar, before and after, ato dyan na siyang i-clean para di ta makakos accident. So, fourth is the standardize. Standardize the way of maintaining order and cleanliness. So, ang gamit lang sa standardize is mag-maintain na lang ta sa atong mga ginabuhat from sort, set in order, and shine or sweep. So, ikalima or fifth, sustain. So, practice 5S daily. Make it a way of life. This is also means commitment. So, kani siya kanang mura na siya atong daily routine from kanang mo bakod ta, mukaon, maligo, lakaw, trabaho, uli, tulog, o balik na pod unsa atong ginabuhat pag gaina. So kuha na siya everyday routine, dili kuha stable lang siya ba. So ang kinalasan is the safety. So ang safety is para lang po nato na atong gibuhat para sa atong workplace and also sa atong unit and the tools. We need to make sure that safety is a must so that there will be no accident or even sudden death will occur.